Hi guys, what's poppin'? It's your boy XO, and I know it's been quite a while. I think it's almost like a month plus. I made a video last, and I just want to say I'm really sorry, guys. I've been really busy, and that's gonna change from now on. So, guys, let's get straight into the video. So, guys, this is a very simple forex trading strategy video, and I want you guys to watch this video carefully. I want you guys to watch this video carefully because this strategy I'm about to show you guys is insane, literally insane. So I'm trying to figure out the title for this video so that I want this video to reach out to more people. And if you have friends interested in trading forex markets, I want you guys to share this video with your friends and family and share this video, guys. Let it reach a lot of people because this strategy is really amazing. Like, a lot of traders will charge you money for this strategy, but I'm giving it out for free. So I want you guys to watch to the end so you don't miss any step, because I'm used to watching the video half and I just jump straight and try to trade it, but it's risky. So you guys need to watch it to the end. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so first thing first is, as you can see, I'm using my mobile trading view platform. I have a reason. I just want to show you guys that you can trade with your mobile phone even if you don't have a computer or a laptop, whichever one. So I'm using my mobile phone right now, and you can see the indicator section. And by the way, this is a free account. I did not pay. This is a free account. So I'm looking for an indicator called the Bollinger Band, BB. So let's wait for it to come up on the chart, and there it is on the chart. So we'll be needing the ATR for our stops and targets, and we'll be needing the stochastic. So we want to see the let me bring out this line too, the cross. So listen up, guys. So guys, we want to see the stochastic below the lower region for a buy. Let me use this. Alright, guys, so as you can see at this point down here, we see this multiple pin wick rejection at this point. And if you're looking at the stochastic, the stochastic is literally oversold at that point. And now looking at this point, we want to see the market break below the stochastic and make its way back. So now we're looking for two bullish candlestick, and right now we see this one candlestick and this second bullish candlestick. So we'll be taking our trade on this second bullish candlestick. And what is the ATR of this candlestick? The ATR of this candlestick, let me check that out. Alright, so the ATR of this candlestick is as you can see, 50. So we're using a 1.5 ATR value, or you can use the 2R. Like 50 times 2 is 100. You can use 100. You can use 50 times 1.5, which is 75. So it depends on how comfortable you are using 1.5 or 2. But for this video, I'll be using a 1.5. So 1.5 ATR, which is 75 pips stop. And if you're a newbie, I would recommend you use a 2 ATR value, a 2x ATR value, because of you're new to this game, so I don't want you to have a very tight stop, because the smaller the ATR value, the tighter your stop is going to be. But the bigger your ATR value, the bigger your stop is going to be. So I'm using a 75 pip stop for this. Let me get that fixed. So 75 pip stop, and you want to target a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2. See, that was a beautiful win. A 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2 was a beautiful win on this trade. So it's really easy. Just go back and back test the strategy and see how many win rates it has, and if you're comfortable trading the strategy. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video, and I'm going to be making more updates on this strategy, and you guys are going to see me trade it live in the next videos. And yeah, that's all for now. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, And guys, I have a free Telegram account. You can go join the Telegram account, and if I get a signal, I can share it with you guys. And if you want me to trade with you live every single day, go to my Instagram account and DM me. If you want to learn how I trade step by step, I'm gonna do a live one-on-one section with you, teaching you how I trade exactly. So just go to my Instagram account and DM me and tell me what you want, and we'll get straight to business. All right, guys, I'll see you guys. Peace out. Stay EXO.